it's Smurf here, and yeah, I've had a bit of a problem. This weekend I had very high expectations of myself. I did a lot of rearranging in my art nook, rearranged the bedroom with my partner, so I wasn't doing any of the heavy lifting. But yeah, the more I bend over, the sorer I get. So anyway, I had sore muscles, so that was alright. I made myself a hot chocolate and I made it a bit too hot, and I ended up spilling it on myself. And so the hot chocolate went all through my clothes, on my legs and stuff. So I rushed off to the shower and stripped off all my clothes as fast as I could. And because I did it really fast, I've hurt my back again. That's how sensitive it is. So, you know, I have to be very careful with like almost everything that I do. Anyway, drives me nuts, but that's how it goes. So I know it's definitely that I've irritated the prolapse disc, because I'm getting spasms in my leg, so like nerve twitching. So yeah, not very cool. So I thought I'd do a voiceover today because, well, these little clips, there's 3 clips here, and I spent over half an hour for each part. So my colouring in is actually really quite slow at the moment. I'm being very careful, but I'm learning a lot about the pencils. So as you can see there, I tried to flash you up flash you up with my pencils. So for this part I'm using a layer of dark indigo 157 of the Polychromos, and I used like a light layer of that, and then a couple of layers of Delft Blue, which is 141. I hope I'm saying these correctly. Well, the Delft Blue one anyway. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but it'll be in the video description. And for the first bit that I was doing on the feathers, I have used, if I can find my pencils wherever I've put them, what's my mid colour here? Light yellow ochre, or ochre. Oh, ochre? Yeah, I think it's ochre from how it's, or ochre. Anyway, so that was what I used over in the big, large tail feathers. And I used a bit of cinnamon on the little circles, on the, oh, I don't even know what they're called, the pre-tail feathers. And have I used any other colours in these? I don't think so. But sorry, I'm finding it hard to think. I'm in a lot of pain. So I've taken some of my, I've got this medication that helps relax the muscles. So that helps me feel a bit better, but it doesn't get rid of the pain in the actual spine itself. So very hard for me to sit at my colouring desk at the moment. So I've been doing colouring today from in bed. I haven't shown you any of that, but I'm just slowly working on that, trying to rest, trying to get better. So I don't know if my content will be coming out daily at the moment, but I'll keep working on this, and I'll give you little updates however I can. Obviously for videos, it's not like I've got a community tab or anything. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this book though. I'm getting a little bit braver, just grabbing colours and going for it. So yeah, I'm hoping it'll turn out really well. I'm getting, yeah, more comfortable with putting darker layers in. You know, I didn't want anything to be Loctite. Anyway, until I see you next time, keep on doodling.